Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Today I will present my research title, The Comparison of Physical Activity Levels of University Students in Indonesia and Malaysia. A case study at UNES and UPSI. My name is Ilyas Kodli Zaka Al-Farouk from Universitas Negeri Semarang, Department of Sport Coaching Education. So let's start. Physical activity is very important for student health, fitness, and academic success. However, many university students have sedentary lifestyle. In Indonesia, 33.5% of people aged 10 and above have low physical activity. In Malaysia, many students also show high sedentary behavior. Previous study usually focus on sport or medical students, but non-sport students are not well represented. Therefore, the study compared UNES and UPSI students using the same standardized method, the International Physical Activity Questionnaire short form. The study used a quantitative comparative design. The sample was 231 students and 139 from UNES and 92 from UPSI, all from geography program. We use stratified random sampling to make the data representative. The instrument was the International Physical Activity Questionnaire short form, which measure light, moderate, and vigorous activity, as well as sedentary behavior. For analyze, we use descriptive statistic and the main Whitney U test to compare the two groups. Distribution, the classification of difference between the two university. At UNES, 41% of students had low physical activity, 39.6% were moderate, and only 19.4% were high. At UPSI, 41.3% were high, 48.9% were moderate, and only 9.8% were low. The results show that UPSI students are generally more active, while UNES students are more sedentary. On average, UPSI students had higher activity level. Their mean score was 2,861 minutes per week, while UNES student had 1,972 minutes per week. The main Whitney U test results show U for 1,213, Z minus 4.38%, and P 0.001. That means there is significant difference in physical activity between the two groups. Discussion. There are several factors behind the difference. The first, institutional and academic factor. Malaysia University often provides strong support and policies for co-curricular activity, while honest students have high academic workload, the reduced time for exercise. Second, the cultural and lifestyle factor. UPSI students are more involved in group of community activity, while UNES students tend to have more sedentary behavior. And finally, the COVID-19 pandemic increased inactivity, especially in Indonesia, because online learning made students spend more time for sitting. The conclusion, last, in conclusion, there is a clear and significant difference between the two groups. UPSI students are more active, while UNES students have shown more sedentary behavior. The difference of influenced by institutional support, academic workload, cultural habit, and the pandemic. To improve student health, university in Indonesia need to strengthen facility, develop a target program, and integrate compulsory or community-based physical activity. Maybe just it for me. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm happy to answer if you any question. So thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.